again and welcome to Wow Crochet. My name is Mary and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to do this beautiful small mesh ground stitch. Okay, it's small because there are many sizes and there are different shapes and different ways of doing things. This particular one is very basic, and I mean very, very basic. If you know how to do a double crochet and a chain, you are going to fly through this. Okay, this particular stitch is used for, what's it used for? Let's see. You could use it for blankets, baby blankets. You could use it for shawls. You can use it for little tops that go over your swimwear in summer. Hence it's a cotton. Okay, you need to, if you're going to wear it over bathers and things like that, you do need to use a cotton. Okay, you don't want to be wearing wool in summer because no, not good. Not with this 38-degree heat or something out there. All right, so a cotton based is better for that. Okay, so it's used for tops, shawls, vests, jumpers, but sort of light jumpers, you know, just little tops, so to speak, and blankets, of course. Okay, and today we will be using this guy right here. Okay, Cotton Daffodil, that is the shade, that is the dye lot. You need to focus on dye lot if you are making a large quantities or a large item. Like if you're making a blanket, you need to have the same dye lot. Otherwise, you're going to get different shades in a blanket. It is going to look unprofessional. It's actually going to look like part of your blanket's faded, even though it hasn't. It's just different shade. Okay. All right, let's get started. What you will need, of course, is your hook, which I have used the size 4. The cotton does call for a size 4mm hook. So there you have it. Now, quick slip knot, just to get you started, half over, all the way over, whoops, all the way over, put your hook in there, and we're done. Okay. What you need to do for this stitch is you need to have, oops, probably too close there, sorry. You need to have an odd amount of chains plus another 3. So if you were to chain on 93, you chain on 96, okay? We're just going to put on about 21. We'll do 21, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And what we'll do is we'll put on our next chain 3. So this is the extra chain 3 you need to start your row. So it's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now what we need to do is a double crochet in the 6th chain from hook. So when you start your double crochet off, you put your your yarn over hook. There is your first chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so your 6th chain from hook. Okay, and you're doing your normal double crochet in there. All right, easy so far? Chain 1, still easy, isn't it? 2 seconds ago it was easy, it's still easy. Okay, so skip a chain there and put 1 double crochet in your next chain. Still easy? Yes, it is. Okay, chain 1, skip the next one and pop another one in there. Chain 1, skip the next one, pop another one in there. Okay, what I want you to do is keep doing that all the way across. Chain 1, skip that one and pop another one in there. Pop one in there, not another one. Okay, do that all the way across and I'll meet you up when we get to the end. Okay, we have 2 chains left. So you skip 1 and you go into that very last chain. It's a little bit fiddly. You go into that very last chain right there and you do your double there. All right, still easy? Yeah, I'm not surprised. It is easy. All right, this is what you have so far. Okay, a little bit turned up at the moment, a little bit fiddly, but that's what happens when you first start. Okay, your next row is pretty basic again. Okay, so you turn your work the way you like. I usually turn it like I'm turning the page in a book. Okay, now you chain up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to do a double crochet in the I'm a bit far away there, sorry about that. Double crochet in the top of that double crochet. So normal, just a normal double crochet on top of a normal double crochet. So there's nothing different there. Okay? And there'll be nothing different all the way across. All you do is chain 1, and then you put a double crochet in the top of your next double crochet. Okay? Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop. All right? So lovely people, I do hope that you are enjoying your journey of crochet. If you want to flash some of your work and show it off and whatever have you, you can post that on my Facebook page if you like. Those links will be in the details down below. Also along with that will be my Etsy and my madeit.com.au stores. If you are interested in purchasing anything, you can go there and check out what you want. If there's something that's not there and you would like to request it, send me a private message. I'm happy to accommodate. If I cannot do it, like I've said in my previous tutorials, I do have lots of crochet companions and colleagues who actually can do it. Okay. We can all do things, but if I, don't have the time or whatever else have you. Now, we're up to the end. Chain 1. Okay. Now, the pattern itself, it tells you to actually pop it in the 4th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I just say skip that first chain you see and go into your next one, which is there, I think. Right there. All right? That's all I do. It's just too fiddly to count. Oh, gosh, that slipped. It's too fiddly to count backwards. It's just easy to skip a chain and go into the next one. Okay? Skip the first chain you see and then go into the next one. I always find that first chain is really tied in there for me. So it may not look like there's a chain there, but there actually is. Okay? So far, this is what you have. Okay? Just give it a gentle tug. Let's stick it all into place like that. Okay, we're going to do another row together and then we'll see how we're going. Turn it over like you're turning your page again or whichever way you like to turn it. Chain up 4 again. 1, 2, 3. Whoops, don't lose your stitch like I just did. 4. Okay, now you go into the next double crochet. That is all you're doing. It's exactly the same as you did in the previous row. Okay. When you get to the end of this row, you'll have your normal chain 4 there, and you will slip stitch in the top of that 3rd chain. Okay. So let's quickly do this row together. Okay. Also, lovely people, in the next few weeks I'll be bringing out 3 different tutorials on projects. I know it's been a while, a long time in coming, hasn't it? I will have a tutorial on how to make a beanie. That actually is coming up in a couple of days' time, so keep an eye out here. I will have a tutorial on how to make a blanket, and I haven't really decided on the 3rd tutorial yet because I want to see what project I finish next. It's all about when you finish your projects in time, I'm on holidays at the moment, but I've only got about 4 days left. And then I have a weekend where I have to, oh no, it's only 3 days, isn't it? And I have a weekend where I have to get organised for work. Yeah, well, it's the dreaded work, but we've got to do it, don't we? All right, we're at the end of the row. And again, if you can count backwards, that's great. 1, 2, 3, that's fine. Or if you see that little tiny chain in there, that little one sticking right in there, you just pop it into that next chain right there. All right? So you have officially done 3 rows of your small mesh ground stitch. Told you it was easy, didn't I? Ta-ta! You're a mesh stitch genius now. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and click the little bell button so you can receive further tutorials. Thanks for watching. Ciao for now.